Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at one of the most iconic and best-selling kitchen appliances ever made, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer, specifically in the sleek Onyx Black finish. Whether you're an experienced baker or someone who's just getting started, this mixer is a true game-changer that brings power, consistency, and style into your kitchen. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl provides enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies, multiple loaves of bread, cakes, whipped cream, frosting, and more. What makes this machine stand out is KitchenAid's signature planetary mixing action, where the beater spins in one direction while the shaft moves the opposite way, ensuring 360-degree coverage and incredibly smooth, even mixing every time. The tilt-head design gives you quick access to the bowl and attachments, making it easy to add ingredients or scrape the sides. The mixer includes the pouring shield, which helps add dry or wet ingredients without mess, preventing splashes and flour clouds during high-speed mixing. The motor delivers reliable, consistent power without overheating, and the 10-speed control lets you switch from gentle stirring to high-speed whipping with total precision. KitchenAid also built this unit to be the center of your kitchen. The universal hub works with over 15 optional attachments like pasta rollers, spiralizers, food grinders, ice cream makers, and more, turning one device into an entire multifunction cooking system. The Onyx Black finish gives this model a premium, modern look that fits beautifully into any kitchen setup, from minimalist to rustic. The metal construction adds real weight and durability, making this mixer something you can use for years, or pass down. If you want reliable performance, classic design, and the flexibility to expand your culinary creativity, the KitchenAid Artisan Series is unmatched. Check the link below to grab yours and don't forget to subscribe for more daily product videos.